This is the rebelein method for measuring reducing sugars in wine. Probably the best place to start in this experiment is to turn your hot plate on. There's a part of the experiment that requires a rapid boiling of the sample. So first thing to do, turn your hot plate on. We need a conical flask, probably an ideal, it would be a 250 ml type conical flask. This is a bit larger, but that's okay. All we need to do is add 10 ml of the copper sulfate sulfuric acid solution. Just use a dispenser here. And then add 5 ml of the sodium potassium tartrate solution. And then we need to add 2 ml of wine. That needs to be an accurate addition, so we use a volumetric pipette. Just add a couple of boiling chips to your flask. And then add it to your hot plate. We now want this solution to reach boiling, then we'll allow it to boil for approximately 20 to 30 seconds before we continue with our other reagents. Once your sample's been boiling for approximately 20 seconds, either use tongs or use gloves. Take your sample off. And you can cool this sample down just by using running tap water. So we now add 10 ml of the potassium iodide in a 1 molar sodium hydroxide solution. Ten ml of sulfuric acid. And then 10 ml of our soluble starch solution. And we have this dark grey black colour here. We're now titrating our conical flask against a sodium thiosulfate solution, which we have in our burette here now. What we're looking for, the end point, is a creamy white colour, and that demonstrates the disappearance of the iodine in the solution. Just gradually mix it. Just add a drop more until the total evidence of grey is gone. It's our endpoint colour there. and then read the volume of sodium thiosulfate solution you've used in the burette. I have a reading here of 29.7 mils.